What's up everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video I'm going to give you a quick overview tutorial of the QuickBook accounting software and its different features. So QuickBook is an accounting platform that can be used for small businesses to track your expenses, send customer invoices, and manage all your accounting and financial aspects of your business. So you go to quickbooks.intuit.com and you'll be redirected to their homepage right here. And if you scroll down, you can see here some of the benefits of the platform, such as you can connect with some premium apps right here, as well as the invoicing. You can create professional invoicing and send them to your account, and link your account to many of the popular payment methods and providers here, as well as some other features. So you can stay organized, free up time, claim your payments, and you have unlimited supports and stuff like that. So if you scroll down, you can see some other like statistics as well as the plans. So you have here 4 plans. You have from the simple start to the advanced, from $180 per month up to $76 per month. Of course, you can here view the benefits of each plan to see which one is best suited for your business. So here, if you scroll down, you can see some other reviews and testimonials and some questions. So to access, you can log in if you already have an account, or you can get a 30 days free trial. So I'll click on free 30-day trial. You'll be asked to choose a platform, a plan of these plans right here. So let's go for the simple start a free trial. Okay, now I'll need to enter my email and my name, my password, and my phone, and then continue to creating my account. Okay, so once I entered all my information and then continue, it says that the feature is temporarily unavailable. So seems like there is some error in the server of QuickBooks. So let's click on try again. So I'll enter my details again and then click here one more step to verify or continue the sign up process. Okay, so I've entered all my information and then here continue, and seems like the error is still there. The feature is temporarily unavailable, so there might be something wrong with the server of the website. Now, meanwhile, let's go back to the website itself, the QuickBooks website, and I'll show you some of the features. And here it redirected me to the global website here, so that's why the website looks different. Before I was redirected to the European website, so I might have some luck here. So start a free trial, choose a plan, start free trial. Now let's try to resubmit this form once again. So email, first name, last name, password, and phone. Okay, one more step, and the same error. So let's go back to the website. And meanwhile, waiting for this issue to be solved, I'll just show you some of the features and benefits of the website. So for small businesses here, we already saw the plans and pricing. We have here in the features, we have bank fees, we have cloud accounting, we have invoicing, we have project profitability, we have accounting reports, inventory management, data migration, GST and VAT tracking, expenses tracker, and so much more. So let's go ahead and view the invoicing, where you can create invoices and send them to your clients. Here, if you scroll down, you can see here some of the benefits, as well as some video introductions on how and what to expect from this platform. You can create professional personalized invoices, and here you get a glimpse of the personalization options. You can personalize like the colors of the footer, fonts, and so much more. And here you can set up even recurring invoices if you have a monthly service, or you are selling monthly goods. And here, if you scroll down, you can get track invoice payments in real time, so you can track the payments of your customers, and set up the language. You can set up or add many languages so that your customer can select the language and the currency as well. And here you can install even the mobile application to send invoices anywhere at any time. So that's pretty cool feature. And if we go here to the features once again, you can go ahead and see the features that you are interested in. And if you click on see all features, we will open a list, or it'll open a list with all the features that are available. And if you scroll down here, you can see all of the available features, from the invoicing, expenses, bank feeds, and capture and organize receipts, and so much more. Let's take a look at their mobile app. Okay, and you can get it from the App Store and or Google Store, depending on the type of your mobile phone. It's trusted by Trustpilot, by Gatera, by GetApp, and even by the Apple App Store. And here you can get the app here to see everything that you can do with it. So you can track expenses, you can generate reports and view the insight, you can send invoicing from within the app, you can view your banking information and steps, and you can also have advanced features of the QuickBook apps, and you can see some reviews and some testimonials of the app itself. And if you go here to small businesses once again and features, and let's say the expense tracker, let's take a look at the expense tracker. You can track your expenses in real time. Here you can connect all the bank accounts that you have and track your expenses. You can track expenses in an instance in the mobile app or the website. You can stay ready for tax season, or you can automatically calculate your tax. You can manage your cash flow, and you can access the reports that are generated. And you can, of course, click at any time on the free trial. However, it seems like there's something wrong with the server. And here you can view the receipts and take a look at them, store them, and attach receipts to invoice and organize them in one place. So that was like a quick overview of the QuickBook business management platform and its different features and business benefits for your business. And of course, you can go ahead and see the feature that you are interested in and see more information about it. So here you have, for small businesses, you can see the plans and prices. We already saw it. You have the QuickBooks Online Advanced for larger businesses, and you have customer success stories. So you can go ahead and see the customer success stories on the platform. You can get free online invoice generator for your business if you want to, so that's a free service. Or you can talk to sales. So here you can click to talk to the sales team and maybe discuss the needs of your business, and they can even recommend plans for you. So here, let's go to accountants. So here you have the QuickBooks for accountants. So if you're an accountant, you can go ahead and benefit from these tools as well. You have QuickBooks features, you have accountant pricing, events, and helpful resources. So let's take a look at QuickBooks for accountants. Okay. You can buy now for clients or sign up for accountants. So you can sign up if you're an accountant right here. So as you can see, QuickBooks is pretty versatile and has lots of tools for all kinds of businesses, either if you are a small business or an accountant or whatever the type of things that you want to do for your business, manage it, capture leads, send invoicing, manage your financial stuff, and so much more. So here, getting this option right here, or using this tool, can be pretty beneficial for your business or for the growth of your business.